Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q8 versus the BMW X7. We'll explore their distinct designs, performance capabilities, and interior comforts to help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. Let's dive into the key differences and similarities between these two impressive German vehicles, starting with their exterior styling and overall presence on the road. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer robust engines and sophisticated all-wheel drive systems. The Q8, with its standard V6, provides a sporty and engaging driving experience, feeling nimble for its size. The X7, on the other hand, often boasts more horsepower and focuses on delivering a supremely comfortable and refined ride, especially on longer journeys. Both are powerful, but they cater to different driving preferences. Inside, both vehicles showcase exquisite craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The Q8's cabin is modern and minimalist, dominated by its dual touchscreens that provide haptic feedback. The X7 offers a more opulent feel with its larger display and available crystal controls, plus the significant advantage of a third row for extra passengers. Both provide premium materials and advanced driver assistance systems for a truly luxurious experience. Choosing between the Q8 and X7 ultimately depends on your priorities. If you prefer a sportier, 5-passenger SUV with a sleek design and advanced tech, the Q8 is an excellent choice. If you need 3 rows of seating, a more commanding presence, and a focus on ultimate comfort, the X7 shines. Both are fantastic luxury SUVs, but they cater to slightly different needs. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.